In this video, we'll guide you through how to set your account to private. If you find this guide useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. When your account is private, only approved followers can view your content, and you must approve each follower request. This is a great way to protect your content and maintain control over who sees it. To start, go to your profile page by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then, tap the menu icon in the top right to open up the settings. Next, scroll down to the privacy section, where you'll find the option to set your account's privacy. Currently, it may be set to public, but you can switch it to private by toggling the private account option. You'll need to confirm that only your approved followers can see your posts and videos, and this will also restrict others from sharing your content. Once you've done this, your account is now private. You can also review and manage your followers, and you'll notice a padlocked icon indicating your account is private. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.